You ever just wake up next to your girl and think, how does someone like me land someone like her?
You know, out of all the content that I have to watch to prepare for my live streams, this is the toughest. Men with no self-respect, no self-esteem, simping for women. And in this case is, if you think that you are inadequate to your girlfriend and you feel lucky that she's so much better than you, why aren't you at least improving yourself? Improve yourself. And by the way, you can start by not wearing a hoodie over a baseball cap. But have you thought about the fact that maybe you ended up with her because other men of quality saw a bunch of red flags that you missed, and that's how she ended up with you? And if you are right, and she really is too good for you, you don't think that she's just going to go and find another guy who will just simp harder for her, or a man who actually does deserve her? And you're not doing yourself any favor because you are advertising her to other men by posting videos of her in her bikinis on your social media.